With the Delphi H2 series ionizer, there are certain times that we may need to reprogram it. Anytime that the data cable comes unplugged, whether we're moving to a new home, we're taking our ionizer with us on a long vacation, for whatever reason that life brings about that we may need to disconnect it, we're going to need to reprogram it. It's quite simple to do. All we need to do is disconnect the data cable and unplug the unit from the outlet. We're going to wait 1 minute, plug it back in, and then restart the programming. The next step is programming the base to accept the commands of the Delphi H2 faucet. At this point, the data cable still needs to be unplugged. It has to be unplugged while we reprogram the base unit, otherwise it's not going to work. The base unit's already been plugged in, so to access the programming menu, we're going to need to press the Alkaline 5 and the Purified buttons at the same time. When you press them at the same time, hold them until we see the display light up. When it lights up, it will display F0. We need to change this to F1 by pressing the acidic number 1 button. If you go too far, it'll just go back and forth. But once we settle on F1, we need to save the programming by pressing Alkaline 5 and Purified buttons again. Now that we have saved the programming, we need to unplug the power cord from the outlet. With the power plug unplugged, we can now install the faucet's data cable. This will simply plug into the port on the back and tighten down with the collared fitting. We need to wait 1 full minute at least until we plug the base unit back in. That 1 full minute allows for all the changes to be saved and committed to memory. Be patient, don't rush this. So now we plug the unit back in and we need to turn the water back on. Go back to the angle stop that we shut off, turn the cold water supply back on, then we're going to turn our adapter on by turning that lever so it faces the 1/4 inch tubing that we installed there. Now that that's ready, the system is now controlled by the Delphi faucet. The buttons on the base will be inactive. However,
alkaline level 1
the buttons on the
selected.
faucet now tell the base unit what to do. We're ready to start drinking our good water.